Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to set up Outlook out of office email message. Here are the clear, beginner friendly steps to set up an Outlook Office. Automatic reply, message in Outlook on your PC. First, open Outlook on your Windows computer by clicking the Start menu. Type Outlook, then press Enter. Make sure your email is fully loaded. Wait until your inbox finishes syncing. Click File in the top left corner. Then click Account Info. This opens the account information page. Choose Automatic Replies out of Office. The Automatic Replies window will appear. Choose Toggle on Automatic Replies. This turns on out of office messages. Set a time range, optional but recommended. Check send replies during a time period. Then choose start and end dates. Type your out of office message. Enter the message for people inside your organization. Type your message for external contacts. Keep it professional and brief. Review your message and dates. Make sure everything is correct. Click Save. Your out of office message is now active. Turn it off when you return. Go back to File, go to Account Info, Automatic Replies, and toggle off the Turn on Automatic Replies. And finally, click Save to save changes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.